In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. This is a vital skill that will allow you to create relationships between different datasets inside your Airtable base, making your data management more dynamic and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, let's access Airtable. If you're following along, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in airtable.com. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your account credentials for Airtable. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by following the prompts provided. But for those who do, enter your email and password and hit the Sign In button. After signing in successfully, click on Continue to gain access to your dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll manage all your various projects and see all the tables that you have created. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the list of all available bases. Click on the specific table you want to link from. This will open up that particular table, revealing all the fields and records present within it. Next, on the right hand side, you'll find a plus button. This button allows you to add new fields to the table you've selected. Click on it to open a new options menu. From this menu, select Link to another record. This option is key to creating relationships between different tables, allowing them to connect seamlessly. Now, a new dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose which table you want to link to the currently selected table. Browse through the list of your available tables, and once you've located the one you wish to link, go ahead and click on it. After choosing the table to link, you'll see an option that says Create Field. Click on this button to establish the link. This new field will now act as a bridge connecting the two tables, facilitating easier access to data shared between them. At this stage, if you encounter any additional setup prompts or optional settings, you'll see a button labeled Skip. Feel free to click Skip if you want to bypass these optional settings. Of course, you can always revisit and adjust options later on to perfect your linked records. And there you have it. You've successfully linked tables within Airtable, opening up a world of possibilities for data integration and management. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Airtable workspace remains organized and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and stay subscribed for more tutorials on optimizing your Airtable experience.